In Dr. Wilda Silva from National Immunization Program Director of the DOH said that the government recognized immunization as a core health service that should be prioritized even at this time of the COVID pandemic. I'm going to place the link in the description box and hopefully you're going to check it out, especially mommies out there. Hi guys, so good morning. I'm trying to blend apple for my lola. My hair color is changing na jud, guys. I tried to ask my husband for a haircut, but I don't know what kind of haircut will it be. Let's see. Oh, I'm cooking soup for my lola. In Cebu, it is called utan. So this is my new normal, guys. Sorry for my face. Squash. And while waiting for the soup, magbe-blend tayo ng apple. Pasensya na if maingay talaga sa bahay. Kumukulo na yung ko, guys. Veggies ko. Need to finish this one. And kumukulo na yung ating soup. We're going to place some veggies. Ouch. Veggies to na nakuha sa na guys, yung tinanim na natin. So I added egg on lola soup, vegetables. So lunchtime na, so I'll be giving this to lola. Soup kasi gusto niya maraming soup, and banana and apple. So as of now guys, ito yung filming area ko. Makalat pa, but then mag-arrange ako mamaya. I will be transferring this one there, dito na banda. So we're going to work it out para naman malit kasi itong filming room ko, guys. But then, laban lang. Ito pala. Yan. Ito pala, supposedly, iba yung windshield niya. Pero, ginupit ko yung mahaba sa video, yung boom mic na foam. Hinati ko. Kaya, na siya. Maliit. DIY. Yan. Video micro. Pasensya sa kalat. So, balik besh, balik. Yan. Super oily na ng face ko, guys. Sorry. Meron tayong gagawin later. Kung magagawa. Ang init. Hi, guys. I'm preparing for work right now and teleconference. So, bakit nakaganito to? Okay. See you. Super oily na ng face ko, guys. Sorry. Meron tayong gagawin later. Kung magagawa. So, before natin to ipapublish, we're going to do some proofreading. But we're going to do a proofreading kasi, gano'n naman ang gano'n. So, kailangan ko itong i-publish sa website and I'm still gathering some materials, resources for the said article. So, in Dr. Wilda Silva from National Immunization Program Director of the DOH said that the government recognized immunization as a core health service that should be prioritized even at this time of the COVID pandemic. I'm going to place the link in the description box. And hopefully you're going to check it out, especially mommies out there. You need to let your kids vaccinated amidst this pandemic. It's very important. If open naman yung mga centers nyo, you need to inquire. Or if you can just contact your doctors for your kids for immunization, it would be good. So, I hope you're going to check the article out and see you there. Cykaniki.com. Ako nga, kuha na mo pero ibutang to ano. Ay, gloves, ako nag-gloves ti oro. Soil conditioner na siya, guys. So, mga bato-bato wala, may labot bato-bato eh. So guys, na ini abot naghatag og bugas kato. So today I will be cleaning all of this brushes. Grabe. See, this is super dirty. So far, ito yung nalinis ko na, guys. And ito yung remaining na hindi pa nalinis. Oh. So, bagong ligo na sila lahat. Ready for next tutorial. Oh my God. So, tapos na tayong mag-clean sa mga brushes. Nalaban na. So, this time, i-clean na naman natin tong mga body nila na marumi na. Chewing. Ito guys, makeup remover. Ginagamit ko para ma-clean yung body niya. Kasi minsan, di natin maiiwasan. Mano talaga siya. Yan, wala. Super clean na guys. Yay! Clean na yung mga brushes at the same time. Clean na rin yung body ng mga brushes. Oh my God, I super love it. Thank you. So, every time ako magbe-blend ng apple, yung mga balat, peelings, fruit peelings, nilalagay ko dito for decomposting para magawa ding fertilizer. So, yung iba, nilagay ko sa ground para soil conditioner na rin. Tapos, if maganda na yung result niya, plant na tayo ng vegetables. This is the Chem's vegan products, guys, and gagawin ko to. The green one is the shampoo bar and the white one is the conditioner bar. So we're going to mix it. Meron itong instruction na i-mix siya in a certain content of water. So gagawin natin today. And so ito yung gagamitin ko na pang mix kasi wala na siyang laman. It's lavender scented hand soap. So wala na siya. Cleanin ko na siya. And so ito siya pag kinuha na natin sa packaging niya. The green and the white one. And now they're home, cleaned, and ready for the next tutorial. Services, etc. This will be Lola's lunch, quinoa, and blended apple. Hi guys, so I'll be heading out for some groceries. And magkikita din kami ni Miss Kai from IPI for secret. So magkikita kami today. This is my outfit. The new normal outfit. Ito na Miss Kai, guys! Thank you kayo! So guys, ito na ka! Wala pa kasama. Oh, sirado. Ano sirado? Sirado lagi ang hypermart, guys. Why? Ano why? Wala din. So nagkuha daw ko